Hello class 7, this is your science class, and the topic today which we are going to study is life cycle of a massive star and looking at star from the chapter Investigating Space, page 138. Life cycle of a massive star. It is comprised of four major stages: supergiant stage, supernova stage, neutron stage, and it ends in the black hole formation. Previously we discussed the life cycle of a average star. Now we will see the life cycle of a massive star. In the supergiant stage, certain events occur. After 50 to 100 million years, no hydrogen will be left in the core of the massive star. The core collapses and the star becomes 1,000 times bigger than its original size. Supernova stage. The giant star becomes denser that it cannot bear the pressure of outer layers. So the outer layers, they will crash inwards, and now the star is called supernova. In supernova, the star emits more light than all other stars in galaxy. Great shells of the gas fly off the stars. The tiny core of the star contains neutrons, so it is also called neutron star. The last stage is the black hole formation. Sometime after the explosion of supernova, the massive star, the star which is 6 times as massive as our sun, becomes a black hole. It is extremely dense and nothing can escape from its gravity. Even no light can escape from a black hole, and it has no light. So it will end up by the formation of black hole. This picture is a clear illustration that how the life cycle of a massive star ends in the formation of black hole. First of all, you can see that massive star, it will make a red giant formation. Then the supernova stage, which will end up in the formation of black hole after the neutron star stage. Coming to the next topic. Next topic is looking at star using telescope. First of all, we will see what is a telescope. Telescope is a device that makes a far away object appear very close. Then we will see the structure of a telescope. In the diagram, you can see that the labeling of the telescope is given. So here they have shown the lens, main tube, eyepiece, tripod legs, and all these structure have different functions. First of all, lens. Whenever the light enters the telescope, it goes through a lens. The bigger is the lens, the larger the stars look. This lens are further of two types: objective lens and eyepiece lens. Objective lens collect light from a distant object and brings that light to a focal point. An eyepiece lens takes the light from the objective lens and magnifies it. Main tube. The light from the star goes through the main tube to the eyepiece. Eyepiece. To see the stars, we look through the eyepiece. And the tripod stands. These are the legs of the telescope, and this tripod holds the telescope still when we use it. Next, come to the question answer. The first question is to describe the life cycle of a massive star or explain the formation of black holes. You will start the question with the heading Massive Star Definition. Stars more than 6 times as massive as our sun are called massive star. Life cycle: supergiant. After only 50 to 100 million years ago, no hydrogen is left in the core of a massive star. The core collapses and the star becomes 1,000 times bigger than its original size. This stage is called a supergiant, supernova. With the passage of time, the supergiant becomes so dense that it cannot bear the pressure of outer layers. The outer layers crash inward with a tremendous explosion called supernova. Neutron star. A neutron star, the star emits more light than all the stars in galaxy. Great shells of gases fly off the stars. Now it is called a neutron star. Black hole. Sometimes after the explosion of supernova, the massive star becomes a black hole. It is extremely dense that nothing can escape from it due to its strong gravity. Even the light cannot escape from a black hole, and it is no more glowing. Black hole is the last stage of the life cycle of the massive star. Next question, what is a telescope? You will start with the definition. A telescope is a device that makes a faraway object appear close. Next question, explain types of lenses in a telescope. A simple telescope has two lenses. Objective lens. The objective lens collects light from a distant object and brings that light or image to a point of focus. Eyepiece lens. An eyepiece lens takes the light from the objective lens and magnifies it. You have to draw the figure 12.13 from page 138 of your book on the blank page. That's all.